I have this question here on the board. For what value of y is cube root bracket 3 to the power of y minus 1, close your bracket, open under bracket, 3 to the power of 2y plus 1, close bracket, equals 243 satisfied? It's the same as solving the question that is on the board there and getting the value of y that we make this statement, this mathematical equation on the board, correct, or that will make it to be true. Now you see a problem like this, are you bothered? It's a very simple problem to solve. We are already dealing with the concept of indices on this channel, and I hope you wouldn't want to miss out on it. Let us see how we solve this question quickly, and you would see that it's very simple. Now, this is cube root of this whole term. How about I clear off the cube roots by taking the cube of both sides? If I do that, we are going to arrive at 3 to the power of y minus 1, then multiplied by 3 to the power of 2y plus 1 equal to 243 to the power of what? 3. I took the cube of both sides to eliminate the cube root on the left-hand side. Now we can apply multiplication law of indices here by picking one of the bases and then adding the powers. If you add y minus 1 plus 2y plus 1, you are going to get 3y. Minus 1 plus 1 will go to 0. Y plus 2y will give us 3y. And that, of course, will be equal to, look at 243. Can we break it down? To base 3. That is possible. This 243 is the same as 3 to the power of 5. Now that power 5, we multiply this power 3 to give you power 15. And of course, both sides have the same base. We can cancel the common base, which tells us simply that y is equal to 15 all over 3, so that y is equal to 5. And that, of course, is the value of y in this equation. You can test to find out that y equal to 5 satisfies this equation. If I come over to this, I have that cube root. So I have cube root of this whole term, and the term is what? 3 to the power of 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 will give us 4. So this is going to be 3 to the power of 4, then multiplied by, come to this, 3 to the power of 2 times 5 is going to give you 10. Add 1, you'll get 11. So 3 to the power of 11. And we're saying that this is equal to 243. How about I break this down to 3 raised to the power of 5? Because that's what it is. And then take the cube of both sides in order to eliminate the cube root from here. You can pick one of the 3, and then you add the powers. If you add the powers, you get what? 15. 4 plus 11, you get 15. We're going to take cube of both sides, so power 3 will appear here in order for this to be cancelled. And if power 3 appears here, this is going to give you 3 to the power of 5 times 3, which will give you what? 15. You see that the equation is satisfied with y equal to 5. On Monday, the 15th of September, we are going to deal with the concept of indicial equation live at 8 o'clock p.m. Nigerian time, West African time. You will not want to miss that class. Stay tuned, and we're going to deal with a lot of problems on indicial equation. I'll be seeing you on Monday. But then, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, right away click on the subscription icon, then go ahead, turn on the notification bell, select all, so that once I come on live that Monday to deal with indicial equation, you will be the first person to be notified, and then you can join the class. Invite your friends to also join this class so they don't miss out. Indices, indicial expression, indicial equation is a key topic in mathematics that no science student or even art as it stands, because art students also offer math at certain levels. You don't joke with this topic. I'll be seeing you live on Monday, the 15th of September.